All customers love a good deal. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a buy one, get one free offer. In your SimpleTix account, you want to first go into your event. And then we'll step on over to our specific date. Now you'll see that I've already got a general admission offer set up here for $20 per ticket. And what I recommend is making a brand new offer. So you can title it buy one, get one free. You can title it BOGO. It doesn't matter. Remember, you can always control the quantity as well in that particular offer. Now for the price, we want to go ahead and automatically make it half. So I'll make it $10. And when you open up the settings, you'll be able to use the ticket description if this was for a limited time only and you wanted to express that with things. That's a good place to put that information. And then you always want to control the minimum and maximum. So we want to make sure that the minimum is 2 tickets, at least get 2. And of course the maximum will be 2 as well. The next area as far as control that you have is you can set when these sales both start and when they finish. So again, that limited time offer is really great here. So you can set specifically your date and time for both beginning and ending. One thing to keep in mind about the date and time, specifically the time, I usually don't make it as 12 a.m. That gets a little tricky with the changeover and stuff. Remember that 1 a.m. would be very early in the morning, and if you were wanting for things to be on sale on the 24th, I would probably change it to something like 11 p.m. so it gets the entire day in there. That's just a good little rule of thumb to keep in mind. Once you have that all set up, then you can come over here and just click Save. And the nice thing is you'll see this pop up. And this allows you, if you click here, to go ahead and add this specific offer to all the other dates you have on your event automatically. That way you don't have to go one by one with things. This is a really great offer. You can do these for early bird kind of things as well. We do have promo codes, of course, here at SimpleTix, but I wouldn't recommend them for this particular setup. I think this is a little bit cleaner as far as a way to do things. All right, we'll see you next time.